Contrary to popular belief, Yami says Hrithik is as simple as they come. Hey everyone, I'm Meetu Chalana. Actress Yami Gautam admits she was a bundle of nerves when she first met Hrithik Roshan on the set of their new thriller, Kaabil. But she says the ice was broken in no time when he echoed the same sentiments about her. She calls Hrithik a selfless star, and unlike his Greek god image, he's got his feet firmly planted on the ground.
When I heard the script of Kaabil, the only thought that I had in my mind was, I have to do this film. I had no choice. My body, my heart, mind and soul, they were all just captured by this script.
आदमी का खुद पे भरोसा उसकी ताकत होती है। तुम और मैं हम कमजोर नहीं।
And Yami, how challenging was it for you to play a visually impaired girl, and what kind of preparation you did for this role?
A very special script. I think it requires a special effort, and that effort is only possible when you have the team who's taking care of everything, which is your producer, your directors, your actor, co-actors, everybody. They're so supportive. So together, I've just said it also. I think we came on board, and of course individually we all had put in our efforts, be it some kind of training or some watching movies or dance, and all those things of course were there. But I think the moment we came, I think on set together, I think that was the most effortless, moment for me, because all the questions and all the nervousness and everything had just like withered away somewhere, and it just became the characters.
दो negatives positive कैसे हो सकते हैं? अंधेरा अंधेरे को रोशन तो नहीं कर सकता रोहन.
Yeah, I loved how she just came to me on the first day. She was not even working on that first day, but she came to me and just told me that I'm nervous. So when you accept that this is tough, I'm nervous,
Yeah.
I'm scared, it makes you calm. So I told her, thank God you're nervous, because so am I. So now at least I know that we are on the same page. Now we can help each other. So then that's, I think, how the organically only we connected on a very honest first foot. That chalo, theek hai. You're nervous, I'm nervous, great. Now let's see what we can do with
And
this.
even our director, so it's all ho bhi gaya, short to ho gaya. It's almost like he's one of those dentist doctors, who's like, you've gone for a tooth. It's a very weird example, but a tooth extraction, something as scary as that.
Yeah, and then ho gaya.
Was ho gaya?
अंधेरे में अगर किसी का साथ हो ना सो तो अंधेरा कम लग सकता है। ऐसा लग रहा है कि रियल लाइफ में भी दो नेगेटिव्स पॉजिटिव बनने जा रहे हैं। तुमने मेरी अधूरी जिंदगी को पूरा किया है।
So talking about your dentist, doctor, director, how was the experience of working with Sanjay?
Oh, fabulous, yeah. So, the proof is that we completed the film. My work got done in 60 days, and that is proof that the director, the actor, the team, the producer, we all were working in harmony. And it's a pleasure when that happens. And it's very rare. It's very, very rare. And for me especially, 60 days, completing a film in 60 days
Compared to your last film?
is, it's rare. Not just my last film, mostly all my films. It's very rare. So I have now learned with this example that, when the script is powerful and everyone is motivated and you're working with a director, a producer who are all working in harmony, then it's possible.
जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई कदम से कदम जो मिले तो फिर साथ हम तुम चले साथ हम तुम जहां वहीं पे बने काफिले ज़मीं बोले जारी रारी ये दीवानगी का है शोर.
You and your dad, whenever you have come together, it's been a super success at the box office. So were there any kind of expectations or pressures from his side or on you naturally?
When we are working with each other, मतलब pressure तो होने वाला है, because he is not going to stop, and I am not going to stop. I will push him and he'll push me. So that one communication factor is so clean and clear that if he is doing something that I am not don't like, I will tell him that this is not right. If I am doing something that he does not like, he tells me, hey, what are you doing? So that's great. When the communication is open, it's superb. But in this project, it's very interesting because my dad and I usually have a, say for, you know, lack of a better example, we have a way of making our films. So let's say we stand like this and he stands like this, and that is how we make films. In comes Sanjay Gupta and he tweaks the whole bloody thing. So I've also become like that, Dad also become like that, and we've all done this film with a twist.
So was it a last minute twist or it was
It
planned?
just happened because he came in and said that, you know, we'll shoot like this.
I've seen him actually.
ऐसा कैसे?
Doing this only. यहाँ से top angle ये आएगा. यहाँ से मेरा दूसरा वाला कैमरा आएगा.
अच्छा, ठीक है, okay, come on, let's try. So both my dad and I have been very pleasantly surprised by Sanjay and his technical brilliance. You know, my dad himself says that if he would have made this film, it would not have the edge that Sanjay has brought to the film.
ये खेल उन्होंने शुरू किया था, तमाशा आप लोगों ने देखा, खत्म मैं करूंगा.